Welcome to the FlyOut plugin for Grandma 3. First, let's haven an overview about the user interface. Preset selection. In this section, attribute settings are configured. This means that presets can be selected and transition settings adjusted. For a FlyOut sequence, up to 3 preset slots are available that can be executed simultaneously. Phaser overall settings. In this section, you can set the speed of the phaser or assign a speed master to the phaser. Rounds. A FlyOut run-through is referred to as a round. It is possible to program up to 8 different rounds that run sequentially before the FlyOut phaser starts again from the beginning. Execution elements. Reset. Resets all parameters to their default settings. Apply. Initiates the phaser process based on the configured parameters. Store. Allows direct storing of the current phaser state into a preset or sequence. Dimmer settings. This section allows users to adjust brightness values and the dimmer curve. Matrix. All desired matrix settings can be directly adjusted within the plugin. Let's have a look how this works. Add an preset. There are several ways to add a preset. To do this, click on the preset area and select your desired preset from the list in the drop-down menu. It is also possible to select a preset directly from a preset pool. Click on the plus in the circle next to the preset slot. The plugin will close and you can now click on a pool element to select 2 presets for your FlyOut effect. After you have selected the second preset, the plugin opens again and your presets are added to the preset slot. Before starting the FlyOut, please select U fixtures. Then start the FlyOut by click the Apply button. Do some basic settings in the matrix area, like phase to 360 degrees. To create an additional preset slot, click on the plus symbol to the right of the preset slot. After a changing, you have to recalculate the plugin by clicking Apply. After adding a new attribute, the matrix have to be calculated new. A separate transition value can be entered for each preset. The input ratio regulates the ratio of flow and return. Dimmer settings. The intensity values are set in this area. By clicking on the stock exchange symbol, the value can be entered via a preset. The same selection options apply here as for the presets. The values for accel and decel influence the transition and the dimmer curve when the FlyOut phaser is in forward motion. Rounds. A run of the FlyOut with forward and reverse is referred to as a round. It is possible to create up to 8 different rounds until the phaser starts again at the beginning with round 1. A phaser speed can be entered directly. Click on this to open a drop-down menu in which you can directly set a speed master for the FlyOut phaser. A phase value for the phaser can also be set directly here. The measured value entered is valid for 1 FlyOut run. Notes. Frequently changing the settings and re-entering the data in the phaser editor using the Apply buttons can cause the synchronization of the individual attributes to be lost. This can be remedied by switching the synchron button off and on again.